Hello, I am currently pursuing my BLLB degree from ILS Law College, and I am in my fourth year BLLB right now. So I have taken up the course on Companies Act and SEBI guidelines from Law Seco, and I have almost completed my 4 months right now. 4 to 5 months I have been doing the course, and I feel that I have really enjoyed the course first of all, and I have seen within myself that I have gained a lot of practical experience and exposure through this course. So actually, I have been with iPleaders from my second year, and it's been already 3 years. And I had taken up two courses. One was the certificate course on Contract Act, and another one was the NUJS diploma course, which I have been doing that time. So I had gone to New Delhi for a paper presentation at NLU Delhi, and I had taken that opportunity to meet Ramanuj sir because I had some queries regarding my career and how to deal with that, because my placements were starting up and I was totally confused what to do, from where to get the knowledge, how to cope up with the Companies Act, because I'm sitting for the corporate placements. So I wanted to know that how to gain knowledge on companies, because in my college in ILS we have our company law in our last semester, that is the 10th semester, and we are expected to have knowledge right now in our 8th semester. We have to know the knowledge and we have to set for the placements. So, and for that also we have been told that we have for to become eligible for the placement, we have to give a short GD, group discussion on companies law. So I was totally at loss what to do, from where to get the knowledge. And then I was in two minds whether to even sit for the placement, because I don't know. So that time Ramanu sir really helped me out with this, and already I had a knowledge about the practical exposure which Law Seco courses give, and I took up this course. That's why. And he told me that I went to him and I asked frankly to sir, this is the issue. I have to sit for the company's law GD, what to do. So he told me, see, there has been a vast difference in the course, in perspective of the practical approach which the courses provide, and there has been a vast difference from the courses they provided back then. And I have really felt the difference. And because now we have the live sessions, and also the recordings of the sessions which Komal ma'am takes, and it's been really insightful. The knowledge is really vast which I have gained from the courses I have been doing, because it goes into the nitty gritties of the basic concepts which it needs. And I have always had this belief that you need to know something, you need to have an extra edge, and you have to know something more than the bookish knowledge. So I was always of the opinion to gain some skills so that I can have an extra edge over my colleagues. So in that way I took up this course. Actually, I was looking forward to my internship in a Tier 1 law firm, which was supposed to be in April 2020 right now. But as we all know, because of the lockdown due to the outbreak of coronavirus, it is on hold right now. So after taking up the course in the month of November, I haven't got any opportunity till now to show up this. But however, I would like to share one experience where, again from the placements only, in our college we are supposed to sit for mock interviews, and these mock interviews are taken by the HR of big company. So to name it, that is Infosys. So the HR of Infosys had come, and he was given the task to take all the mock interviews and people who will be sitting for the placements. So that time I had gone and I was second in number. And he had told me, and previously also, the previous days also, he had taken the mock interviews. So I went, and he saw first the Diploma in Companies Act and SEBI guidelines. He just asked me, tell me about yourself, and the second question he asked, tell me what did you learn, what are you learning from this. So he kept on questioning me on SEBI guidelines and Companies Act, and I was fortunate enough and to answer all that correctly. And when the feedback session came, sir told me that this particular course will give you an edge. Why? Because no person will give so much time, will dedicate so much time for diplomas. And this diploma, since I have questioned you and you could tell me the practical approach, how to go about it, this will definitely be an edge to you, and you will be an upper hand before the interviewers. So in this way, I haven't yet put my application, the practical application, but yes, in this way I was assured that what I am doing, I'm on the correct path, because he gave me full marks for my CV. So, first of all, if I am not, since I stay in hostel, there's a bit issue with the timings, because from 8:40, it's the timing for the live session is usually it starts at 8:30. My batch. So, and I have my hostel in time from 8:45 to 9 o'clock. So I can't sit in for the live session that time. So what I do, I watch the recorded sessions, and if I have any issue, I just give a call to Komal ma'am. And from the recorded session, I just try to gather what she is trying to explain, because that is the main thing everyone should do, because the recorded session gives you how tells you how to go into the nitty gritties of the basic concept. And then after hearing it out, after I make note of everything what ma'am says, she explains where to go, how, from where to find the correct provision, and then I write it down. And after doing that, I go to the chapters which are specified in the course, in the assignments. That particular chapters I go to, and I read on it. After that, I sit and I do my assignment. And after that, if I have any issue, like I haven't come across such issue, because all my concepts get cleared by Komal ma'am, so I haven't experienced that issue. But if I will, then if I have, then I would obviously, I will go and do a Google search, and ma'am is always there, so we can anytime call her and clear our doubts. So if a student is looking for something more than bookish knowledge, because in interviews they see whether you have skills or not, whether you will be able to apply that skills. Just knowing what is a company, how many what are the types of directors, what is MOA, what is AOA, will not help, because that is a very basic knowledge. I do agree one should have the basic concept, but you should know something more than the basic concept. Do you know how to draft the clauses? Do you know how to draft a memorandum? Do you know how to draft the board resolutions? Do you know how to find out, advise, and draft a legal opinion? Because legal opinion, in my internships I have seen that legal opinion, there are more clients for legal opinion in corporate sector. Also in litigation there is, but in my experience I have seen in corporate, corporate in the sense law firm corporates department, I have seen that people come and they want more of opinion first, and then they decide whether to go forward with the firm or not. So that is important. So in my opinion, this course has taught me all the questions I have made currently, and it definitely gives you a different confidence, because you know that you will stand apart from others when you will be answering those questions before the interview viewers. So they will obviously, they will be impressed with the type of answers you do. Because if they ask you, do you know board resolution, how what is the format, how is that, how that starts, so you will be able to tell that. And how to drafting is very important, because people obviously they don't no firm expect us to be stalwart in our freshers, in our in the first year as fresher. They don't want they don't expect us to be stalwarts, but they expect us to have minimum knowledge about drafting, about the basic concepts and all these things. So you should know how to draft the different clauses, how to draft the clauses for shareholders agreement, because shareholders agreement is a very very important thing. One should know if one is going for corporate sector, law firm, or even corporates also. So dealing in all these things is important, and I am really thankful to sir, because he had told me to take this course and it will help you. And I have seen the difference, because I have got a lot of practical exposure doing this course. This is the reason I feel one should go for it. Thank you to you, because for giving me this opportunity and to share my experience with all the people out there who have been facing the same problem to like me. And I hope my this thing helps them. Thank you so much.